The teachings that I give you on this come from a different level of mind. It doesn't simply come from the intellect and it will help you, will be a blessing to you. So that's another thing that we will have to do in conditioning our minds for what we want. Remember that it is a constant work that you have to do. This is what Jesus meant when he said, I must be about the Father's business. You see, the Father's business is keeping your mind conditioned for good. Remember that the Father's business is keeping my mind conditioned for good. Say it together with me. The Father's business is keeping my mind conditioned for good. That's the Father's business. The Father's business is casting forth the good spell, the gospel, you see. And I must do this constantly because, as I say, from some direction to the other, your mind is definitely going to be conditioned, and the world mind will condition your mind for poverty, for sickness, for failure. This is why you must consciously condition your mind for health, happiness, love, success, prosperity, and money. So nobody has to teach you to be poor. You don't have to put forth any effort to learn that. Plenty of people around that'll condition you for that, and you'll get that automatically. But to condition yourself for success and prosperity, you have to do some conscious work in that field. For more video, follow and subscribe.